In today's video, I'll teach you how to reset Snapchat Discover feed. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Snapchat application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here Snapchat has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is simply swipe right on your screen. Now you'll be led to the Discover interface. If you want to reset the Discover feed, for that what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is access the settings. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down, find the option for ads and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the ad settings interface. You'll be able to find the options for ad preferences, lifestyle and interests, autofill settings. Tap on this option, lifestyle and interests. Now you'll be led to the lifestyle and interests interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you can do is simply select and deselect the option of your choice. After that, your Discover feed will be reset. In order to reset the Discover feed entirely, what you have to do is deselect all the categories that you selected earlier. For that, what you have to do is simply uncheck the boxes right next to the category that you've selected. Scroll down, deselect all the categories. Now after you deselect all the categories, you can simply go back. Now after you do that, your Discover feed of Snapchat will be reset. Now you can see over here your Discover feed will be reset. So that is how you reset Snapchat Discover feed. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.